To crush procrastination using Apple Calendar and reminders effectively, you can utilize a combination of these tools to create a structured approach to task management and time allocation. So today we are here with a step-by-step method to do all this. So let's get started. Firstly, start by scheduling your task and goal directly into your Apple Calendar. Assign specific time slots for each task or activity you need to complete. For instance, if you have a project due, schedule dedicated hours in your calendar to work on it. Treat these time blocks as non-negotiable appointments with yourself. You can integrate goals into calendar events like this. After that, use Apple reminders to set up notifications and reminders for important tasks. When creating a reminder, be specific about what needs to be done and when. For example, if you need to prepare a presentation, set a reminder a day or two in advance to gather materials and another reminder on the day itself to finalize the slides. You can set the very clear reminders. You can take advantage of location-based reminders in Apple Reminders. This feature allows you to receive alerts when you arrive at or leave a specific location. If you have tasks related to specific places like picking up groceries after work, set up a location-based reminder so you don't forget. So ensure synchronization between your Apple Calendar and reminders across all your Apple devices. This way you will always have access to your task and schedule wherever you are. Schedule regular review sessions with yourself to evaluate your progress and adjust your calendar and reminders as needed. Reflect on what tasks were complete on time and what got delayed. Use this feedback to refine your scheduling and reminder strategies going forward. So by integrating these tips into your routine, you can leverage Apple Calendar and reminders to stay organized, motivated, and on top of your task, ultimately overcoming procrastination effectively. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.